Hi guys, I'm Krishna. I am going to present the second seminar topic of the .NET. Now I'm going to share the screen of the second seminar topic of the .NET. We are going to see ASP.NET. ASP.NET is a web development platform provided by Microsoft. It is used for creating web-based applications. ASP.NET was first released in the year 2002. The first version of ASP.NET is developed by 1.0. The most recent videos of ASP.NET is version 4.6. ASP.NET is designed to work with HTTP protocol. This is standard protocol used for across all the web application. ASP.NET application can also be written in variety of .NET languages. This includes C hash, VB.NET, and J hash. The full form of ASP is Activated Server Page, and .NET is a network-enabled technology. ASP.NET is a framework which is used to develop web-based applications. The basic architecture of the ASP.NET framework, as shown below, ASP.NET is developer language used for the construction of web-based applications. ASP.NET is designed to work with the standard HTTP protocol. We are seeing here the language, the library, and CLI. In the language, we are saving the VB.NET. In the language, there is CH and hash. In libraries, we have framework class library, command language runtime. In the CRN, in the ASP.NET architecture diagram seen above, the architecture of the .NET framework is based on the following key components. In the language is uh, a variety of a language exists in .NET framework. There are VB.NET and CH. This can be used to develop the web applications. Second is the library. In the library, we taken the .NET framework includes a set of the standards, the libraries, the most common library used for the web application. The .NET is the web library. The web library has the necessary components to be used to develop the .NET web-based applications, common language runtime, common language infrastructure or CLI is a performance .NET and executes. The platform CLI is used by the performing key activities include the exception handling garbage, um, garbage collection. Below some of the key characters of APS.NET frameworks. Code behind more. Code behind more. This is a concept of separation design as a code of a code based on APS.NET application. General file type as an APS.NET file is an ASPX. Assume we have a web page called my page, the ASPX. There will be another file called my page called these are having design part and the other for the code. What is a state management? What is a state management? APS.NET has the facility to control the state management. HTTP is known as the State Management Protocol. Let's take an example for sure is shopping the cart application. Now when a user decides he wants to buy from the site, will process to submit the button. Application we need to remember the items user choose from the purchase. This is known as the remembering the state of application. Current point in time, HTTP statement protocol. When a user goes to purchase a page, HTTP not store information of cart items, not store information of cart items. In addition, coding need to be and HTTP is not a stored information cart item. Additional coding is to be done to ensure that the card item is carried forward by the purchase of the page, such as implementation can be complex at times, but ASP.NET can do the same state management in behalf. So ASP.NET can be remember the cart items and pass it over the purchase page. What is caching? What is a caching is the third one, and the final one in the ASP.NET. ASP.NET is a can implement the concept of caching. This improves the performance of the application by the chance of these pages, which are often requested to the use. They can be stored at temporary location. These pages can be retrieved faster, better response can be sent to the users. So caching can be significantly improve the performance of an application. This is the end of our seminar.